Imagine, no, ang lapit yun na, ang traffic, no? Hindi kayo maliliit.
Hi guys. So, yeah. Wala pa akong tulog. 24 hours na akong gising. And right now, nandito kami sa ginagawa mo. Galing kami sa Mega Mall. Doon kami nag-lunch. And nagpalipas ng konting oras. And then, right now, papunta na kami sa Richmond Hotel. Sa venue kung saan akong pa-perform. And, yeah. Inantok na ako. We'll see you guys later. Bye. Hungry na ako.
$100K followers and 2 million likes. A K-pop performer here in the Philippines, member of a pop duo, Jinja, and was invited to perform and represent the Philippines and Korea to the biggest K-pop event in Latin America. May I ask everyone to please rise for our invocation to be led by Mr. John Paul David Jampong from Tala Artist Management. Please remain standing for the singing of the Philippine National Anthem.
Luma ng araw ng walhati pasinta, buhay langit sa piling mo. Aming ligaya ng may mga api, ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo.
You may now be seated. Thank you, Mr. John Paul, for that heartfelt invocation.